I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Before adding a payment method, secure and verify your Binance account. Enable two-factor authentication, save backup codes, and confirm your email and phone number. Complete identity verification by uploading a government ID and a selfie. Verification can take up to 24 hours depending on volume. Decide whether you will add a bank account via ACH or SEPA, or link a debit or credit card for instant buys. Knowing your payment channel helps predict fees, settlement time, and typical daily limits during purchases and withdrawals. To add a bank or card, open Wallet, choose Fiat and Spot, then click Deposit and select Bank Transfer or Card to start. Enter exact bank details for ACH/SEPA or your card number, expiration, and CVV, then confirm your billing address. Verify the connection by confirming a micro-deposit amount or a small authorization charge shown in your bank or card statement. Review displayed fees, currency conversion rates, and estimated processing times before you finalize and save the new payment method. After adding methods, set a default payment method for instant buys to a debit card or bank account to speed checkout. When purchasing, carefully review daily and per transaction limits displayed during checkout. Limits commonly increase after successful KYC and can change in real time. To remove or update a method, open Profile, go to Payment Methods, and follow prompts to edit, re-verify, or delete entries. Keep documentation for disputes, and rerun verification if you change billing details or experience rejected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.